Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change location on Snapchat Maps. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So to do this, you simply need to open Play Store and download the application with the name of Fake GPS Location. And then you need to click on open this website. So as you can see that my location is in Canada. So let me show you in my Snapchat account as well. So as you can see that I'm showing in Canada, you can see that. So let me change my location to some other country. So let me stop this, and now I'm going to change my location into another country like China, and then I need to start that. Okay, so now it is running. Now I'm going into the my Snapchat account, and let me show you my new location. So let me refresh that, and let me start this again so that my location will be changed. So now you can see that my location is changed into China, as you can see. So this is a process by which you can change your location on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.